That sounds like a delicious and comforting meal. Sausage stroganoff with potatoes is a hearty twist on the classic. Here is a general method, incorporating key flavors and side preparation based on popular recipes. The best stroganoff often has a rich, tangy, and creamy sauce, and the potatoes should be a soft side dish, typically mashed. Ingredients: for the sausage stroganoff, sausages, 8 high-quality sausages beef, or your preference, sliced into rounds or bite-sized pieces. Onion, 1 medium finely chopped. Garlic, 2-3 cloves, minced. Mushrooms, optional but recommended, 250 green. Sliced, button, chestnut, or cremini. Fats, 1 tbsp oil and 1 tbsp butter. Seasoning and flavor, 1 tsp salt and 1/2 tsp black pepper. 1 tsp dried herbs, like a mix or thyme, sheer oregano. 1/2 tsp Dijon mustard, or English mustard for a stronger kick. 1 to 2 tbsp tomato paste, optional, adds depth and color. 1 to 2 tbsp smoked paprika, optional for a smoky flavor. Sauce base, 1 tbsp flour, to thicken, optional. 300-350 ml stock, beef or chicken. 150 ml sour cream, or crème fraîche. Tangy elements, a handful of chopped pickles, cornichons or similar, or gherkins. A dash of Worcestershire sauce, optional. Garnish, fresh parsley or dill, chopped. For the mashed potatoes, about 1 kilos, peeled and chopped. Dairy, 3 tbsp butter, 3 tbsp milk or cream. Seasoning, salt to taste. Instructions: 1. Prepare the potatoes boil. Place the peeled and chopped potatoes in a large pot. Cover with cold, salted water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until fork tender, about 15-20 minutes. Mash. Drain the potatoes well. Return them to the pot. Add the butter and milk bark cream. Mash until smooth and creamy. Season with extra salt if needed. Set aside, covered, to keep warm. 2. Cook the sausages and aromatics. Brown sausages. Heat the oil and butter in a large frying pan or skillet over medium-high heat. Add the sliced sausages and cook, stirring occasionally until they are browned all over. Remove the sausages to a plate and set aside, leaving any fat juices in the pan. Sauté aromatics. Add the chopped onion and mushrooms if using to the pan. Cook for 5 to 8 minutes until softened. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Add seasonings. Stir in the tomato paste, mustard, paprika, salt, pepper, and dried herbs. Cook for about 1 minute, stirring constantly. Thicken, optional. If using, sprinkle the flour over the mixture and stir for about 1 minute. Deglaze. Add stock. Gradually pour in the stock, stirring constantly to scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the pan and ensure a smooth sauce. Bring to a boil. Simmer. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Add the chopped pickles and Worcestershire sauce if using. Return the sausages to the pan. Simmer for about 6 to 8 minutes, or until the sauce has slightly reduced and the flavors have melded. 4. Finish and serve. Stir in cream. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the sour cream or crème fraîche. Stir until fully combined and the sauce is creamy. Avoid boiling the sauce once the sour cream is added to prevent curdling. Serve. Taste and adjust seasoning if necessary. Serve the sausage stroganoff immediately over a generous portion of the mashed potatoes. Garnish with fresh parsley or dill. Tips for the best result. Sausage choice. Use good quality sausages with a flavor profile you enjoy, e.g., Cumberland, Italian, or a slightly smoked sausage. Mashed potatoes. Don't overwork the potatoes when mashing, or they can become gluey. Warm milk, cream, and softened butter yield the best texture. Settings. Add any subtitle.